Scrappy Happy Crafts. So I'm back with my InLoveArtShop project share. This time I have created some different projects, not just cards, and I hope you like everything I created and hope you get inspired. So without wasting any time, I'll just jump into it and show you all the projects I have created. So let's start with the first one here. I have created this wonderful frame with this origami papers from InLoveArtShop. I will show you. So these are the papers. I created DIY flowers, some leaves, and put that into a frame. And I had some of my water droplets in here. I just stuck there. And behind this is the stencil. This one. Oh, not this one, sorry. This one. So I used the stencil to create the water bubble background. Into water bubble, these are the flowers. All these are DIY flowers and some leaves into it. And this turned out so beautiful. I love it. So this is a 5x7 frame. So that's that. This is my first project. And then with when I was playing with the papers, I just created this cute butterfly. This is also a DIY butterfly. You can create a nice hanging. I'm just thinking where to use this butterfly. Until then it is just lying with me here. So this is the next one. The next is, let me show you. So these are different bookmarks I created. None of them are cards this time. This is the shaker bookmark you might have seen on my Instagram and Facebook if you are following me. It's super amazing. And I use the dream catcher die. This die in the background, and even the paper is the origami papers from InLoveArtShop, and some of the shaker beads. And it is so beautiful. Just look at this. I love shakers, and I created a shaker bookmark with them, which is Dream Beautiful. So that's that. And I used this stencil. I was just playing with the stencil, and I used in the background for this bookmarks. I used some embossing powder, and I created this shiny effect. And then I created this bookmark. I used the same stencil, and then I also used the Dreamcatcher book die, and I made this Love Books Dream Inspire. And I am super happy with this result. So that's that. Coming up with the next one. This is my favorite. So I used this grid die, and I created this embellishment, a shaker embellishment again. As I mentioned, I love shakers. And I made this birthday embellishment so that it can go very well into a card or any scrapbook, mini album, anything. And I'm so happy with this one. These are the printables, and the grid is the InLoveArtShop die, and I love it. Just look at it. So yeah, that's my favorite too. And the last one is this one. Hope you like this. So I used these two dies, and I created this super cute love embellishment. Here is the ephemeras from my stash, and this is the two dies I have used. I did pop this up with the foam Hope you can see. And look how beautiful this turned out. So I did not create this as a shaker because I can use it as it is into a mini album, and like super ready embellishments, just ready to go into an album. So yeah, here are my projects. Hope you like them, and do check out the links into the description box for all the project details, and I'll mention a 15% discount code as well. And see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.